Hi friends, this is Fam Stock YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A74 smartphone. In this video, we will learn how you can take slow motion video in your phone Oppo A74. First of all, open camera in your phone Oppo A74 and go to more button. Go to more button here and select SLO option here. This is slow motion option and now start recording your video. I start recording my video here. I use the subject and I have some more movement in the subject. While recording, it will be like a normal video. After playing the video, you will notice the slow motion. Now I stop recording and I open the file. This is the recorded file. And see the action. Action is slow. You will notice here slow motion. This is MP4 video file. Slow motion is clearly visible. See here the action. It is very slow. So in this way you can easily take slow motion video in your phone Oppo A74. You go to more option and select SLO option to record slow motion video. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.